Dalvin Cook missed the last 2 full games with a bad shoulder. If he can run today, he can make this a ball game.
Lay out, boys, man. Turn that loose. Turn that loose.
Let's go get one, boy.
All right, Christian, let's have a big day today, huh?
I like the men in purple. They don't believe we can do it, boy. They don't believe we can do it. They don't believe we can do it.
Yes, sir.
New Orleans defense has not allowed a 100-yard rush here over their past 42 games. Here's Dalvin Cook.
Lean on him. Lean on him. Let's go get 7.
3rd and 1. It's a toss left to Dalvin. Gets a block from Riley Reed. First down for Minnesota.
Cook cuts upfield and takes off down inside the 40. For a defense that's been so good against the run, Dalvin Cook having a big first half.
Dalvin up the middle. It's easy, and he's in the end zone. Yes, he is. Dalvin Cook.
So now a 43-yard try by Lutz. And it is no good.
Oh! Oh! No! Say no! No!
Sunday, son.
Let's go, OL! Keep blocking! Keep blocking!
2nd and goal. Cook did not get there, and now they say touchdown.
I'm in there! That touchdown! That touchdown! That touchdown!
This game looks like it's going to overtime.
Playoffs! Playoffs!
Hand off Dalvin to the right side. Shakes the tackle with the 50, and Dalvin skirts to the Saints' 45-yard line.
Cousins throws. Pass is caught for the win.
Yes, sir. That's one.
Way to run the ball, baby.
That's one.
Way to run the ball.
That's one.
We got the first.
That's one. That's one. That's one.
Let's go regroup.
Let's go get right. What I told you?
Baby.
What I told you?
It's your.
What I told you?
It's your.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.